Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everybody, I buy this fridge, so I cannot find part for back, for pipe. So this one is too hard to find. So I've been fixing by myself. So this is for car, this pipe for car, for oil. And I've been using this one. You can buy this one from pawn shop. And this one like silicone, you can put in here. You can put this one in, that pipe, and this one is going inside. So if I order from eBay or if I find from Samsung, so it's cost me more than £75 just for that. So I built for myself, just I think altogether it's about £5. So everybody can make him by himself, so it's not too heavy, it's too easy job. جزاكم الله خيرا. So it's for the working. جزاكم الله. See you later.